Hey y'all, so once you've downloaded the Brookgreen Nights of 1,000 Candles app, you can open it and this will bring you to the home page. Here you can find more information about visiting the garden. You can check out the schedules, frequently asked questions, maps of Brookgreen Gardens, food and drink opportunities, places to shop, social media links, other events, and of course the sponsors. Today we're going to talk about the schedule. So if you click on that real quick, you'll see that a list of all the events with artists is listed here. You'll find the artist, where they're playing, the date, and the time. And then once you click on the link, you can find out a little bit more information about the artist, what kind of music they play, and where they're going to be playing. So to go back, you'll just click the back arrow right here. And then notice at the top, you have the dates for the Nights of 1,000 Candles. So say you want to come on December 6th, you can click there and see all the events for that day. So that's a great resource for everyone to use, and be sure to use it on the Night of 1,000 Candles.